children, open your Marigold English textbook for class first. Yes, I have given the hints when the live class was going on about the paper. Yes or no? I think the doubt is clear for all the parents. Are you happy or not? Okay. See here, there will be a small poem, a happy child. A happy child, you have to complete the poem. You have to complete the poem. This way I will start giving you, see here, the pattern of the question paper. Yes, question answers over and this is the poem. Complete the following poem. My house is red, a green, a little house, a happy child am I laugh and play the whole day long, I hardly ever cry. And when ever cry will come, no, here you have to stop. Then match the following. Match the following. Needle, thread. You have to join the one. Yes, needle, thread. Bat, ball. Socks, shoes. Shirts, shorts, ball, spoon. In this way you have to do. You have to do. Okay. Now fill in the blanks will be here. The straw dashed himself from one bank to the others. One bank to the others. What will you write here? Stretched. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. Then the shoe jumped on the straw. The shoe dash will be here. You have to write jumped on the straw. On the straw. In this way, you have to write the question paper. I think the doubt is now clear for everyone. Okay. Now, you have to write the poem what I said you. After that, one more poem is there, no? After a bath, I try. Where is it? Yes, after a bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and 2 wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I did take and could shake. If I were a dog, I could shake. I could shake. After a bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and 2 wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I did take if I were a dog and could shake. This poem for reading only I will take for Bahatation. No, I am not going to give you for writing. This is not for writing, okay? Yes. After that, needle, thread, bat, ball, socks, shoes, shirt, shorts, bowl, spoon. This you have to learn by heart and get prepared for the exam. After that, this is the fill in the blanks. Put this doing words into sentences. Doing जो करते हैं ना उसको यहाँ पे तुम्हें fill in the blanks की तरह भरना है. जैसे कि the straw dash himself from one bank to the other. Stretched, S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. The shoe dash on the straw. Jump, J-U-M-P-E-D. Jump. Have you got it? Yes. Here one more poem, one more song is there. That is rhyme only. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little. This is yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. All this you have to learn. Learn by heart. Learn by heart. Have you understood? Yes. Only this only is the portion 1, 2 lesson and 2 poem. Unit 1 and Unit 2. So question answers yesterday I have showed you. There will be 11 question answers. There will be 11 question answers which you have to see. Write at home. Practice for the exam. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday you have exam. So still there are so many days in your hands. And I have given you the portion long back. And asked you to get prepared for the exam. Get prepared for the exam. I think still yet no one has started doing study. Okay, you have if you have started, it's well and good. Very good children mine. You will get very good marks. Everybody will take A plus, A plus, A plus. So, have you understood the portion for the exam? And the pattern of the question paper? Happy child, 3 little pigs, Unit 2, Unit 1, that is happy child, 3 little pigs. Unit 2, after a bath, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay, have you got it? Yes. Yes, once again answer the following questions. Once again I will tell you and I will do the question answers once again for you. See, what is the color of your house? What is the color of your house? The color of my house is pink. The color of my house is pink. TH is the COLOUR color. OF of MOMI. HOUSE house. IS is PINK pink. In this poem, the child is happy or sad? In this poem, the child is happy. In THI is this, POEM poem, TH is the CHILD child, IS is happy, HAPPY, happy. What is the color of the tree? The color of the tree is green. The color of the tree is green. TH is the COLOUR color, OF of TH is the tree, TREE tree is, IS is green, GREEN. Who is good? A pig is good. Who is good? A pig is good. Who is bad? A wolf is bad. A wolf is bad. Okay. Now who is good? See the spelling. Yes. A, PIG, pig. IS is, a pig is good. GOOD, good. Who is bad? Who is bad? A, wolf. WOLF, wolf. IS is BAD, bad. Write the names of the 3 pigs. Write the names of the 3 pigs. The names of the 3 pigs are Sonu, Monu and Gonu. See here. TH is the NAMES, names. OF of TH is the 3. THREE 3. Pigs, PIGS, pigs. ARER. Sonu, SONU. Monu, MONU. And Gonu, GONU. Have you understood? Yes. Do you have a bath every day? Do you have a bath every day? Yes, I do have a bath every day. Yes, I do have a bath every day. YES, yes, I do, HAV, have, a bath, BATHE, bath, EVERY, every, DAY, day. How do you dry yourself? How do you dry yourself? I dry myself with the help of a towel. I dry, 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 MY, my, SELF, self, with the WITH, with TH, the HELP, help, of OF, of A, TOWEL, towel. Where did they go one day? Where did they go one day? One day they went into the forest. ONE1, DAY, day, THEY, they, WENT, went, INTO, into, TH, the, FOREST, forest. What do you wear on your feet? I wear shoes on my feet. I wear, WEWEAR, wear, SHOES, shoes, on, MY, my, FEET, fit. Name the three friends. Yes, name the three friends. Again, you don't write here Sonu, Monu and Gonu. Name the three friends means who are they? The three friends are the bubble, the straw and the shoe. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. The three friends are TH, the, THREE, FRIENDS, friends, ARER, the bubble, TH, the, BUBBLE, bubble, the straw, TH, the, STRW, straw, and TH, the, shoe, SHOE, shoe. Yes, once again, those who have not seen the first video of the revision, not first video, that is the second, or the question answers video first and question answers video second one. I have given you 11 question answers. 11 question answers. In this 11, I have selected only 5 questions and I have wrote. ये नहीं कि इजी लिया है थोड़ा, ये सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बहुत इजी है, क्वेश्चन पेपर भी बहुत इजी है, तुम्हें आराम से पढ़ के लिखना है. सभी अब कुछ हो गया है बच्चों, पैटर्न मैंने पेपर का बता दिया है, तो तुम अभी उसको कैसे लिखना है, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू. जितना तुम स्टडी करोगे, फिर मैं इतना चिल्ला के क्या फ़ायदा अगर तुम लोग नहीं समझ पाए या लिख नहीं पाए. कम मार्क्स लिया तो तुमने स्टडी नहीं किया. मेरा जितना काम है मैं तो करती रहती हूँ. Whatever I have given the revision for you now, you write for 2 times and learn by heart. Write for 2 times and learn by heart. Okay children, प्रिपेयर करो एग्ज़ाम के लिए. प्रिपेयर, गेट फुल प्रिपेयर्ड. अभी तुम्हें सब कुछ बोल दिया गया है, तो तुम्हें अभी ज़्यादा बहुत बर्डन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो डू वेल फॉर द एग्ज़ाम एंड आई विश यू ऑल द चिल्ड्रन बेस्ट ऑफ लक. टेक केयर children and bye bye.